Slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold up, little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Carol, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. Man, hustling. Can't tell me nothing. I'm rapping's ugly cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still don't fuck with me in the club. That's my cousin. Ain't you show me love? That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a black suit. No can do, no. I don't work for free. I smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple drink. Yeah, that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm posted at the swap meet in a robe, eating church's wings. So no emergencies. Meet me in the club. That's my cousin. Ain't you gonna show me love?
That's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
That's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. All my engineers, if you got it, let me see it. Did it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt on my knees, said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back.
Don't be dumb, Elvis. Gotta do it yourself.
It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. I treat the beat as like a pussy and I eat it up and beat it up and leave it possible. You cannot compete with us. I'm in and out of traffic in the Cadillac. Wait, is that us on the radio? Wait, is that us on the radio? Always dreamed of when I had beach bud. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's nuts. I mean, chicken wings and onion rings. If you wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no puppet strings of the company. We suckle free. I ain't tripping on what the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly. In the club.
That's my cousin.
And you show me love.
That's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
That's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
Mesdames et messieurs,
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area.
You that girl, I know I am. I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't wanna boy, I need a man. Click, clack, bada bing, bada boom. 내 박차면 모두 날 바라본 집 됐어. 너를 따내줘. 모든 남자들이 꼭